Hey there, fabulous ladies! Are you ready to elevate your style game in 2025? Today, we're diving into 5 stunning color combinations that are perfect for women over 50. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you love fashion as much as we do. Let's get started. 1. Classic navy and white. Navy and white is a timeless combination that exudes sophistication and elegance. Whether it's a navy blazer with white pants or a navy dress with white accessories, this duo never goes out of style. Navy is a color that symbolizes trust and stability, while white adds a touch of freshness and purity. Together, they create a look that's both polished and professional. Pair it with some silver jewelry, and you're ready to conquer the day with confidence. Imagine walking into a room and instantly commanding respect with your classic navy and white ensemble. It's a look that says, "I've got this." One of the best things about navy and white is its versatility. You can wear it to the office, a casual lunch, or even a formal event. For a more casual look, try a navy and white striped top with white jeans. For a formal occasion, a navy dress with white heels and a white clutch will make you stand out. This combination is also perfect for layering. A navy cardigan over a white blouse can add depth and interest to your outfit. Don't forget to accessorize with silver jewelry to add a touch of elegance and shine. 2. Bold red and black. Red and black is a powerful combination that makes a bold statement. Red is the color of passion and energy, while black is sleek and sophisticated. Think of a red blouse with black trousers or a black dress with red accessories. This pairing is perfect for those days when you want to feel unstoppable. Add a touch of red lipstick and you're ready to turn heads wherever you go. Picture yourself at a dinner party, effortlessly drawing attention with your striking red and black outfit. It's a look that exudes confidence and charisma. Red and black is not just for evening wear. You can incorporate this combination into your everyday wardrobe as well. A red sweater with black jeans is a chic and comfortable option for a day out. For a more daring look, try a red leather jacket over a black dress. This combination is also great for accessories. A red handbag or red shoes can add a pop of color to an all-black outfit. And don't forget the power of red lipstick. It's the perfect finishing touch to any red and black ensemble. Soft pastels. For a more delicate and feminine look, soft pastels are the way to go. Colors like blush, pink, lavender, and baby blue can create a gentle and elegant appearance. Pastels are soothing and calming, making them perfect for creating a relaxed and graceful look. Mix and match these pastels for a fresh and youthful vibe. A blush pink top with lavender pants, or a baby blue dress with blush accessories can be perfect choices. Pastels are ideal for spring and summer, giving you that effortless chic look. Imagine strolling through a park on a sunny day, feeling light and breezy in your pastel outfit. It's a look that radiates serenity and charm. Pastels are incredibly versatile and can be worn in a variety of ways. For a casual look, try a pastel t-shirt with white jeans. For a more formal occasion, a pastel dress with nude heels is a great choice. You can also mix and match different pastel colors for a fun and playful look. For example, a mint green top with a blush pink skirt can create a fresh and youthful outfit. Pastel accessories, such as scarves, handbags, and jewelry, can also add a touch of elegance to any outfit. And don't forget about pastel makeup. A soft pink blush or a lavender eyeshadow can complete your pastel look. Earthy tones. Earthy tones like olive green, mustard yellow, and terracotta are perfect for a warm and grounded look. These colors are inspired by nature and evoke a sense of comfort and stability. Earthy tones are great for creating a cozy and stylish outfit, especially in the fall. Try an olive green sweater with mustard yellow pants or a terracotta dress with natural accessories. Pair these colors with some natural accessories like wooden jewelry or leather bags to enhance the earthy vibe. Picture yourself enjoying a crisp autumn day, wrapped in the warmth of your earthy toned outfit. It's a look that feels both trendy and timeless. Earthy tones are perfect for layering and can be worn in a variety of ways. For a casual look, try a mustard yellow sweater with olive green pants. For a more formal occasion, a terracotta dress with brown heels and a leather handbag is a great choice. You can also mix and match different earthy tones for a rich and textured look. For example, an olive green jacket over a mustard yellow dress can create a stylish and sophisticated outfit. Earthy accessories, such as wooden jewelry, leather belts, and suede boots, can also add a touch of warmth and texture to any outfit. Monochromatic elegance. Last but not least, let's talk about monochromatic elegance. Wearing different shades of the same color can create a sleek and sophisticated look. Monochromatic outfits are all about simplicity and harmony. Think of an all-gray outfit with varying shades or an all-beige ensemble. This approach can make you look polished and put together. Monochromatic looks are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual day out or a formal event. Imagine attending a special event, effortlessly standing out with your monochromatic elegance. It's a look that speaks of refinement and grace. Monochromatic outfits are incredibly versatile and can be worn in a variety of ways. For a casual look, try an all-gray outfit with different shades of gray. For a more formal occasion, an all-beige ensemble with varying shades of beige is a great choice. You can also mix and match different textures and fabrics for a more interesting and dynamic look. For example, a gray wool sweater with gray silk pants can create a stylish and sophisticated outfit. Monochromatic accessories, such as handbags, shoes, and jewelry, can also add a touch of elegance and refinement to any outfit. And there you have it, ladies! 5 stunning color combinations for women over 50 in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest fashion tips. Until next time, stay fabulous.